Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this product, SunHeart High-Density Poly Ethylene Adults Washable Blue Premium. What is this? Mosquito net. Okay, which is for king size bed. They mentioned in the details, and we'll check. We'll unbox this, and we'll try to place it over this bed. So it is foldable. That's the reason. And I also will show you this laundry bag, which is of the similar material. Maybe this is also similar material. Let us just open this bag and check how is the product now inside. And the material they are saying like polyethylene, and it is washable. Okay, full blue tint, and there are two entries which is mentioned. We'll quickly check this. Yeah, see here when I remove this one, and this is what the package looks like. uh yeah, there is this bag provided. Let me open this zip. So I didn't expect this. Maybe this bag is a additional thing. I just thought only this would be provided, but yeah, quite happy this. There is a bag also, carrying bag with these handles. Okay, see, this is a paper sort of bag. Paper sort of bag. Okay. Mm, yeah, this is very good. Means if we are traveling to some other place at that point of time, this bag would be really useful to carry. Okay, yeah, and this you can see, um, very light material, you can say. Let us check once we take it out. Yeah, this is what, uh, maybe I need to just take this out. And the material polyethylene, as I said, that laundry bag also similar material, that is from another brand. If you want unboxing of that laundry bag, you can find it in the description below. You can find that is 130 rupees. Okay, yeah. So what I'll do is I'll be just placing on my bed as a tent, mosquito. So yeah, let us get to the real-time check now. Yeah, just roughly I just placed over this bed, and remember, this is not a king size bed, queen size bed, you can say. And you can see the width over here, there is some space, and this side also there is some space. So yes, this fits to the king size. And entry, coming to the entry, there is one side zip entry here. See here, one side zip entry. So I thought double entry, but no, single entry only. Means these three sides will be coming down to the bed, down to the bed area. There may be only one entry, that zip area, one entry. Yeah, this quality, this cloth quality and everything, I need to use it for, the user need to use it for at least 2 to 3 months or so. Then only we can be able to comment on this quality, that how good it is in the use. For as of now, this is the unboxing. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And yeah, this is the top look here. So if you do have any, this is the Kuber Industries, the same material, uh, laundry bag. Yeah, and the online details, we'll check it now. Or what are the other details, the exact dimensions, will all continue with the online details. Now let us go to the online details. Yeah, see here, this is the online product as of now. The user got this for 403 rupees at the time of purchase. Now it has been really reduced. Maybe there is a sale running or something like that. These are the sale prices, and it is showing like 306 rupees, which would be a very good deal. And it got 3.8 ratings. Okay, yeah, a decent ratings. And the user needs to give the exact review on this mosquito net tent after using it for at least 6 months.
so that if you want a review video, you can just ask in the comments. As I said, high density polyethylene material. The material is double bed, means king size bed, and it is washable and color is full. Okay, if you want any further details, maybe I can add this in the view products. Please do check for the details.
Yeah, we'll see. This is the iron sort of. I can see this rings which is holding the shape, or the rods, you can say very thin rods. See here, one, two rods all over, wherever you see the shape of this tent. Okay, mosquito net tent. Yeah, there is a stitching here, you can see the cloth and the stitching, and this is the closer look. Mosquito for not to enter this net. Yeah, I'm just using, and I just switch on the fan here with the polycab BLDC fan, and made it to run at 6 speed, means to the top speed, just to check how it is under the full speed of the fan. Okay, it is stable. Okay, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.